Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to turn off your incognito mode in your YouTube. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening the YouTube app, here you can see we are currently on the incognito mode in YouTube. And if you try to search anything, the history won't be saved, and there is no such settings like a normal YouTube has. So in order to turn off this mode, what you're gonna do is tap on the U icon that you can see on the navigation bar on the bottom right corner right here. Simply just tap on this icon, and then here you can see there is the option of turn off incognito. Simply just tap on it in order to turn off your incognito mode. And just like this, you can see we are now on the normal mode of YouTube. And that is how you turn off your incognito mode on your mobile. Very easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.